And tell me, do we look all right? Do you look scrunchy? I don't brush.
The camera loves you, baby.
Yes.
G'day guys, I'm Warren Thomas, one of the co-founders of DEAI, Disability Entertainment Australia Incorporated. And Stefan?
Yes, hello. Stefan de Wit van der Merwe. Yeah, one of the co-founders. And what a journey we've had over the last couple of years.
Fantastic.
Funding is critically needed. We can't do it without support of the community. And the projects that we're doing is focused at community engagement and development. And thanks to ETC with the sponsorship that they give us, this year we started a whole new angle with workshops.
Without those guys, we wouldn't be 3 years down the track and gaining more momentum. Myself, I'm autistic, so I have a heartfelt connection to our students. It's such a great pleasure for me personally to see these guys grow in confidence.
Really excited to be part of the ETC team and especially excited to be supporting the great work that Disability Entertainment Australia Incorporated do. They're doing something not to highlight their own glamour or anything like that. They're doing something because they're making a worthy difference with people who need some support. And the support they offer is not so much how to get from A to B, it's how to feel confident with who you are. And that's what these guys do. Very grateful to have the opportunity to support in a very humble way, just make a little bit of a difference.
We rolling? Hi, I'm Randall Shirl. I'm the new drum tutor. Go with the I've really enjoyed sharing knowledge and experiences with the students and just relax into the song.
So Kibria, how long have you been with us now?
3 years.
3 years, and just pumping away.
Yeah,
You're like the legend of DEAI. Are you enjoying the workshops?
I am.
You're handling the new songs okay?
Right.
So I'm excited because we're developing DEAI. You're coming along for the journey, and as we see you grow, we know we're growing as a company.
Right on.
Where do we want to really be in the end?
The stage?
The big stage, isn't it?
Yes.
And the only reason that's happening is because of ETC and a few other sponsors that are here and there.
I am Elisa Donald-Meyer. I'm a registered music therapist. DEAI has provided so much overall, from my perspective, confidence. There is so much potential for DEAI with ETC to communicate their expression not just to this small group of people who engage in the workshops, but to the wider community to then show the whole world who they are.
Hi, my name is Justin. I started in the workshop, experiments how to sing songs.
When I found out about the vocal group, I wanted to do that to see if it would help me, and I'm really enjoying it. I've never sung in front of people.
Please put your hands together, Debbie.
The online portal is really easy to get into, and I've been learning a lot from it.
We also want to expand into mental health areas for veterans, for instance. Yeah.
PTSD from war and...
So hopefully we can continue our relationship with ETC and
Yes,
create a
thank you,
great support future.
One great opportunity that we have here for not only now but for the future. ETC can get more involved in the support for disability services, and this thing that we're doing, although it started off as very humble and very local and very small, ideally it can grow to be something big where we're perhaps setting a benchmark for greater things and just keep moving forward for the future. I'm pretty confident it's going to work out.